How to change your name in Snapchat. Let's get started. Launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now click on the avatar icon given at the top left. You'll be directed to your profile page. Now how to change your name. For that, click on the settings icon given at the top right. Now navigate to the option name. From here, you can easily remove your old name in this way. Now type in the new name. Once you're done, click on save. With that, your name will be updated on Snapchat. Likewise, to change your username, click on the option username. Remove the old username, type in the new one, and click on done. You can only change your username once a year. So, this way you can easily change your name in Snapchat. If this guide helped you out, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.